Welcome to the training course for the FICO Xpress Python interface. This training is divided into modules, with each module covering a different topic. In each module, you will find a generalized introduction to the topic and be given examples of application of its concepts. This will usually be followed by a video demonstration using Jupyter Notebooks. By following this course from the start to the end, you will be able to formulate optimization models using the Xpress Python interface, solve them using the Xpress Solver, and be able to query and analyze the corresponding solutions. Please keep in mind that this course summarizes the key topics that are of practical importance. It is not a replacement for the Xpress Python reference manual, which we encourage you to explore and use during the course by clicking on the link provided in the hint of this slide. The Xpress Python module can be installed from the two main Python repositories, PyPy and Conda, and it does not require the whole Xpress suite to be installed, as all necessary libraries are provided within the package. The install comes with a copy of the community license, which allows for solving problems with up to 5,000 variables and linear constraints combined. If you already have an Xpress license, please make sure to set the xpauth_path environment variable with the full path to the license file xpauth.xpr. Note that for nonlinear problems, a limit of a total of 200 variables and constraints applies when using the community license. The Xpress Python interface is available on the PyPy server and can be installed via the command line by running the command pip install express. Earlier versions can be installed by appending a double equal sign followed by the intended version number of the Python module. The package contains the Python interface module, its documentation in PDF format, the Xpress optimizer libraries, various examples of use, and a copy of the community license. Check the community license and online documentation web pages for more information. An Xpress package is also available for download from Conda by running the command conda install -c FICO-Xpress Xpress. To install earlier versions, append an equal sign and the intended version to the Xpress argument. The content of the Conda package is the same as that of the PyPy package. In case you are using a Conda package, make sure to install the package Intel OpenMP on Intel platforms. If you installed the Xpress Optimization Suite before downloading the Xpress Conda or PyPy package, the Xpress Python interface will automatically try to use the license file in your Xpress installation. In case you are using a Windows machine, the Xpress Python interface will look for a license file in the bin folder of the Xpress installation directory, which is set as an environment variable by the installation process. In case you are working on Linux or Mac OS, the Xpress installer creates a script named xpvars.sh in the bin folder of the Xpress installation, which sets Xpresster to the installation directory, and xpauth_path to the location of the license file. If the path environment variable is not set, the Xpress Python interface will look for a license file in the bin folder of the Xpress installation directory.